Hello everyone and welcome to another Muse Kits What's in the Box. My name is Jake and today we'll be going over what is in this month's box. We got some really cool stuff this month, so let's hop down below and see what we got. Alright, open up the box, you're gonna see your brochure. Open it up and it'll give you some history on what a muse is. Flip to the next page and you will get an introduction to this month's medium. Flip to the next page and you're gonna see all the tools that you're gonna find in this month's box. Flip to the next page and you'll find your quick start guide to help you get a starting idea on how to use these products. Flip to the next page and you will find this month's challenge prompts as well as some pointers on how to get the best results using these products. Flip to the next page and you will find your skill challenge guide to help you get a little extra challenge using these products. And then flip to the final page and you're gonna find everything you need to get your Laurel points as well as our Muse community images. Okay, so the first item out of this box is the Liquid Chalk Marker Set 12 pack. Use these 12 vibrant markers to create stunning signs, perfect for drawing or showing off your calligraphy skills. Write with bold, fun colors on glass, whiteboards, restaurant menu boards, windows, non-porous chalkboards, and many other non-porous surfaces. Easy to clean, leaving almost no residue. All you need to do is wipe it down with a dry or damp cloth. Next we have out of here are these sign stands. These sign holders are cut to perfectly display your signs and messages to the world with these simple and timeless design. These countertop sign holders feature a wooden base that look amazing as is, or you can paint them to fit your style that you like. Now we have the Soft Tools Art Sponge 3-pack. Soft Tools feature a non-abrasive micropore sponge surface designed for artists and crafters to hold and release the right amount of color to a smooth result. Not only are they reusable, but they also come in different forms and shapes to fit the artist's needs. Now we have out of here these 6x8 black and white boards. Create a sign that's noticeable in any area with these double-sided boards. These boards can be used with liquid chalk markers to create a customized message. Perfect for making signs that catch people's eyes in your office, restaurant, bedroom, and more. It's the perfect solution for a drink menu or dessert menu, special offers, or just to sit on your desk for that daily motivational message. Next out of here are the Artist Round Brush Set 5-pack, featuring an assortment of round brushes designed to perform like fine natural sable hair. Their highly durable synthetic filament resist abuse and breakage while providing an excellent snap with a fine point. Now out of this box is the microfiber eraser, leaving no trace behind with the mini whiteboard erasers. Made of felt, these mini erasers are the perfect size to conveniently take anywhere. Excellent for home use, office professionals, and teachers. These dry erasers can also be cleaned very easily with just a little bit of soap and water. Next up here is the VersaChalk Fine Tipped Liquid Chalk Marker in white. The VersaChalk's premium German-made liquid chalk dries in seconds. Once dry, it won't easily smudge, but can easily be erased with a damp cloth. Write with a smooth, bright chalk ink on chalkboards, windows, plastic, metal, vinyl, ceramics, and most non-porous surfaces. Next out of here is the Pentel Click Eraser. Whether you're writing with pencils or erasable ink pens in your office, these Pentel Click Erasers ensure that you can quickly erase mistakes for clean, error-free copies. The convenient pen-like design is easy to grip and control, and the retractable design helps minimize waste and keeps your eraser primed and ready to use. Now out of here we have the Faber-Castell Stencil Classic. Create beautiful DIY inspirational paper crafts with these reusable paper stencils. These paper stencils are very durable and can be used multiple times in your projects. Now out of here we have the disposable palette sheet pads. Cleanup is quick and easy with these disposable palette pads. Just tear off a sheet, use it when you're painting and mixed media sessions, then toss it away. Great for the use in acrylics, oils, and many other liquid mediums. With 25 disposable sheets, you'll be able to take these on the go or keep them in your office for many projects ahead. The last item out of here is the Floral Stencil. Create a beautiful decorative design with this plant-themed stencil. This plastic stencil is very durable and can hold up to many uses. Use this to create jaw-dropping accents to your artwork every time. But that is everything out of here except of course our sticker and candy, but let's get everything going and see what we can create using these products. So when it came to coming up with the idea for this piece, I chose to go with this cute little deli sign. Not just because it was the first thing that popped into my head when I thought of a sign, but it's also because I'm really really hungry right now. To get the chalk out onto your palette, you just need to pump the tip of the marker over and over onto your sheet. One thing I do is that I slightly lift it up and then kind of smack it down, not too hard to break the nib of your marker, but once you smack it down, it will come out a little bit faster onto your palette. And once it's onto your palette, you can grab your paintbrush and start to paint onto the boards. Also, something to keep in mind later when I'm using the stencil for the background, try to use a light hand when you're holding it down onto your board so you don't rub off too much of the chalk. I was a little heavy-handed and I had to go in and do some touch-ups with my marker, but it wasn't too big of a deal. But I'm going to be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is everything in this month's box. These materials were a lot of fun to work with, but now it's your turn to see what you can create using the materials in this box. Now make sure to check out the weekly challenge prompts in your brochure, as well as the weekly videos on this channel where we go over each one ourselves. Complete all 4 of the weekly challenge prompts and post them to social media using hashtag Muse Kits, or tag us at Get Muse Kits to get your 500 Laurel points. So make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, and if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Gustafson Designs. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!